Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I wanted to do an update on Nano Dimension. I wanted to do this last night and didn't get it done, but that's alright. I have some added information here to add to it this morning. Again, this is Nano Dimension, ticker NNDM. I still have 15 shares here in this account at 432. So I'm doing pretty good in this account. I have more in a retirement. And I think the cost base is a little bit above that, so I'm just letting these set here in Robinhood, trying to move away from Robinhood. If you're looking for a different platform, I have several links in the description, whether it be Webull, Moomoo, Firstrade. There's quite a few different links there. And if you don't know what this one is, it's in the provision of intelligent machines for fabrication of additively manufactured electronics. Its products and services include the Dragonfly Pro system, is what their main product is, conductive and insulating inks for printed electronics. It's been around since 2012, a market cap of $3.25 billion. If you're watching this, I'm sure you know all about Nano Dimension. I bought my shares back in October and November, and since then it's just been on a steady upclimb. So they've been raising lots of cash. That's why I wanted to do a video about it. You can kind of see what it's done over the last week. It's actually been trading kind of flat over the last month. It's kind of done the same thing, went up a little bit. But they recently released this last night. Like I said, I was going to do a video about it last night and was busy doing some other videos. But the Nano Dimension Prices, a $500 million registered direct offering. Leading additively manufactured electronics printed electronics provider today announced it has entered into definitive agreements with investors for the sale of 39,100,000 of the company's American Depository Shares, ADSs, at a price of $12.80 per ADS. So that's why you're seeing a little bit decline in the price today. You can look at it as creating a buying opportunity. Not that I give tax, legal, or trading advice, just here for your edutainment. That's education and entertainment all in one. The gross proceeds of the offering will be approximately $500 million. So again, they're raising money again. I believe, if I remember right, checking, they already have like $1 billion sitting in cash. So it'll be interesting to see what they're going to be doing here in the next days, weeks to come. So definitely one to watch. Before deducting placement, agent fees, and other estimated offering expenses, the company intends to use the net proceeds for working capital and for other general corporate purposes, and nursing strategic opportunities, including possible business combination transactions. So they got something in the works here. I haven't heard what yet. If you have any info, leave it in the comments. That would be interesting. The closing of the registered direct offering is expected to take place on or about February 18th. So 2 days from now, so Thursday, subject to the satisfaction of customary closing conditions. And you can go ahead and pause the article and read the rest there for yourself. And this just kind of goes over a little bit more about Nano Dimension. And just like I said, the offering is creating the stock price to fall a little bit, which is fine if you're bull long term on NNDM. It fell over 8% pre-market, and why it happened, the stock price of Nano Dimension fell below 8% pre-market. This is what happened. The stock price of Nano Dimension fell below 8% pre-market. Investors appear to be responding to an announcement from that company about a registered direct offering. So not too big of a deal. They're just raising cash again, and like I said, it creates a buying opportunity. Not that I'm telling you to buy, but it's up to you. Nano Dimension has announced that it entered into a definitive agreement with investors, sale of 39.1 million of the company's ADS shares at $12.80. So kind of some of the same information that we already went over. And again, it just shows working capital and other general corporate purposes, pursuing strategic opportunities, including possible business combination transactions. I've heard of a merger, a takeover, a buyout, so I've been hearing all kinds of different things. Again, if you have any further information in regard to that, if you'd put it in the comments, that would be appreciative, so we can share it and get the word out. The closing of the registered direct offering is expected to happen on or before February 18th, like I said, Thursday, subject to the satisfaction of customary closing conditions. And so that's pretty much it for the update on Nano. I'm a long-term holder on it, so I'm just going to sit on my shares, and I don't know how long, definitely a couple months, if not a year or more. I see a lot of potential with this company, with what they can do and what they can make. So the stock price has already ran up quite a bit, so the rate that it's going, as long as they don't do any more offerings, I can see it being a $20 stock soon, maybe in a couple months. So we'll just have to wait and see. But the high today of 1614, the 52-week high of 1789. So yeah, it could be a $20 stock. I think that high today is a little bit off, but anyway, again, that's just an update on Nano Dimension. If you're holding this one, let me know your cost basis. If you have a cost basis of this or a little bit below, that would be awesome to know, and how many shares you're setting on and what your intentions are with Nano. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. I'm trying to get up to 500 subscribers by the end of the month. I thank you for your watching my videos and all your support. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.